Hello and welcome to another edition of the PHN Roundup, your news update for all things Port Huron Northern and the Blue Water area. I'm Avery Witter.
And I'm Ellie Hagan, and here are your stories of the week. This week started our canned food drive here at PHN. You still have until Tuesday, December 9th to donate cans into your third hour classroom. Reminder, the third hour with the most cans donated wins a pizza party, second place wins an ice cream cake, and third place wins a cupcake party. The prizes will be awarded on Friday, December 19th. No water, soda, or items exceeding 10 pounds will be accepted.
Christmas is coming up quickly. Spirit Week starts December 15th, and Monday is Cozy Christmas. Wear your Christmas PJs and socks. Tuesday is Country Christmas. Wear your flannels and cowboy boots. And Wednesday is Christmas Vacation. Wear your Hawaiian shirts. Thursday is Ugly Sweater Day. There will be a contest for the ugliest sweater with the winner announced during the holiday assembly on Friday. And lastly, Friday is Christmas Color Day. Seniors, wear red like Santa. Juniors, wear green like the Grinch. Sophomores, wear brown like reindeers. And freshmen, wear white like snowmen. Friday, December 19th will be the holiday assembly, and we hope to see everyone there.
For any seniors looking to explore their options next year, our college advisor, Mr. Houle, continues to provide college visits and informational meetings. Last Monday, several students got the chance to visit Saginaw Valley State University and explore the campus. On Thursday, December 11th, Ferris State University will be at PHN to meet with interested students. And on Monday, December 15th, a representative from Adrian College will be here. Both visits will take place during the third hour in room 405. And don't forget, it's not too late to sign up for the Oakland University campus tour on January 15th. Permission slips are due by January 9th. See Mr. Houle in room 101A for a permission slip or if you have any questions. And just a reminder, Mr. Tyler Houle is our college advisor, not Mr. Houle, the math teacher.
This month, the Baking Club celebrated a cozy snow day theme, bringing in delicious winter-inspired treats for everyone to share. From festive flavors to creative decorations, members showcased their best seasonal baked goods. The next meeting will be held on January 5th, 2026. To stay updated, be sure to join the Remind found in the school's hallways or speak with Ms. Turner for more information.
We would like to thank Mrs. Walker and the Community Foundation for presenting several of our clubs with the Wyatt Walker grants in memory of her son, Wyatt Walker. Recipients were the Stitchers Club, the Period Hygiene Network, the PE program, the Make a Difference Club, and the Art program.
All of our winter sports are now in action. Let's check with Eli and Andrew for more.
The Husky boys basketball team hosted Anchor Bay in a MAC crossover for their first game of the season this past Tuesday. The Huskies take a commanding victory with a final score of 66-39. Senior guard and Lake Superior State commit Alex Jamison led the way with 19 points. Other scoring contributions also came from senior point guard Amir Moreland with a productive 15 points and senior guard Cam Haryu with 10. The Huskies are back in action next Friday, December 10th at St. Clair. Congrats and good luck, Huskies.
Football season may be in the rearview mirror, but for some of our athletes, the postseason awards keep on piling in. Last month, both Lincoln Watkins and Amir Moreland were voted for the Michigan Football Coaches Association's All-Region team and are candidates to make the All-State team that will be announced later this month. Also, both Lincoln and Amir are potential candidates for the Detroit News All-State team and the Detroit Free Press All-State team. Congratulations to both athletes. On a similar note, on Wednesday, Amir Moreland signed with Miami University of Ohio to continue his football career. And today at 11 a.m. in the Performing Arts Center, Lincoln Watkins will sign his letter of intent to commit to the University of Kentucky. Congratulations to both Lincoln and Amir.
Over Thanksgiving break, the Husky hockey team had a 1-1 record in the Larry Mann's tournament, taking down Port Huron United with a final score of 6-3. Leading scorer Chris Herms led the way with a hat trick. The Huskies will be back in action away at Brother Rice on December 10th. Now back to Avery and Ellie in the studio.
Thanks, guys. Since the holiday season is finally here, we chose to celebrate by holding a school-wide movie quote contest. Let's go to Roundup reporter Sam Harris to see more.
Well, because I know the story of A Christmas Carol like the back of my hand. Prove it. What?
Come on.
That was so fast.
7 o'clock. Wrestle with myself. Loading. I'm booked.
The Grinch.
No, I want an official red undercombination 200 millimeter rifle.
Christmas story.
I can't seem to find my toothbrush, so I'll pick one up when I go out today.
No
Other than
pressure
that, I'm
here.
in good shape.
No pressure. It's Home Alone. Good job.
Who are you?
In life, we were your partners, Jacob and Robert Marley.
It's like the Muppet movie. Is it the Muppets? Yes.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
Oh, Home Alone.
Wait, which one?
Ding. Probably one of those claymation Christmas movies.
Wait, Buzz. I'm gonna
Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer. Rudolph.
No, I want an official red undercombination 200 millimeter rifle.
Oh, Red Ryder BB gun guy.
Yeah.
You'll shoot your eye out.
Yeah. I hate this Christmas movie.
Yeah, with the leg and the...
Yeah.
Christmas what?
Story! A Christmas story!
Yeah, I said Ori.
I can't seem to find my toothbrush,
I can
so I'll pick
describe
one
him.
up when I go out today. Other than
Come on! One! No, but I want to win it all.
7 o'clock, wrestle with myself, loading. I'm booked.
Christmas, Jim Carrey.
You have way too much time on your hands to watch movies.
Listen,
Oh my God.
Santa's coming to town.
Oh, Elf.
You're gonna get googly eyes from watching that much TV, Mrs. Collins.
Well, you coming?
Where?
Oh, Polar
Vacations.
Express. Polar Express.
Oh. I give up.
Oh, Christmas. Oh, the old one.
Christmas Vacation?
No, it's the old one. No, Home Alone.
Why, to the North Pole, of course.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Is it called the North Pole? What would the name of it be? A Christmas Story. Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh. You know the one with Tom Hanks.
Polar Express.
Polar Express.
Woo!
That was a team. That was
Nice
a team
job.
effort.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
Oh, that's the one.
Christmas Story.
No, it's the one. It's the guy that. Oh, it's an old one. It's a black and white.
Story.
What's that one called? It's that one that has the old guy in the way back. It's a really old.
Play it
movie.
again.
Christmas Carol.
Scrooge.
I have no idea.
I don't think I've ever seen a Christmas movie except for like a scary one. Except for the Christmas
the
Story.
Grinch. The Grinch.
Home Alone. Woo!
We're terrible.
All right.
We're terrible.
No, I want an official red undercombination 200
Christmas Story.
7 o'clock, wrestle with myself, loading. I'm booked.
Scrooge.
I'm not sure about that
I'm
one.
not good at
what
this.
do you think, Miss French? I don't know.
Christmas Carol.
Is that the only movie you've ever seen?
Home Alone. No, I don't know.
I don't know
She
either.
said we already said it. So what?
Oh, we
other-
already said it?
Yeah. What other names did you say?
Scrooge.
The Night Before Christmas. Nightmare on Elm Street. I don't know.
The Christmas Story.
We're terrible
The
at this.
Grinch. The Grinch.
I did say that one.
Woo, you did.
But not in that time.
Wow, it sure looks like our students need to catch up on their Christmas movies this holiday season.
That's it for this week's update, but tune in next time for all things Port Huron Northern. Have a great weekend and
Go Huskies!
It's actually so good.
This side's